Welcome to WebStylePress. If you're new here, consider subscribing and hit bell icon. NPM and GitHub have loads of open source free packages to pull and use in any app. If you want to do math operations, manipulate objects, use loadash package. If you want to parse date strings, add and subtract dates, get elapsed time, and do many other things that are hard with the native date constructor, use moment package. There is a package for just about anything. Packages may have their own dependencies as well. Frameworks and libraries such as Angular and ReactJS use packages. Packages are bundles of independent software that can be used to perform a certain task. When a project grows over time, packages and their dependency management becomes tedious and out of hand. To manage packages and their dependencies, we use package managers. Popular package managers are NPM and Yarn. We are comparing these two package managers in this video. NPM is open source, and when you install nodejs, it comes with it. Yarn is also open source and it is created by Facebook. Facebook created it as a better alternative to NPM. NPM is default package manager for nodejs. On the other hand, you have to install Yarn yourself. To install Yarn, NPM has to be installed. NPM has got a registry of private and public packages. You can publish your own package at NPM website. Yarn can access packages in NPM registry, and it can also install from GitHub repos. If you use Create React app to create ReactJS app, Yarn comes built in with it. With Create React app, you can either use NPM or Yarn. Yarn can reuse NPM JSON file and it does not change its structure. Yarn does not work with Node.js older than version 5. NPM is not consistent, but Yarn is consistent and stable. Yarn guarantees that an install that works now will work in future as well. Yarn strongly binds package versions. NPM fetches each package separately, while Yarn can fetch multiple packages at the same time. NPM is not fast enough, while Yarn is considerably faster than NPM. Yarn caches each package it downloads, so it never needs to download it again. It also parallelizes operations to maximize resource utilization to make install times faster. NPM is not secure, but Yarn is secure. Yarn uses checksums to verify the integrity of each installed package before its code is executed. Yarn supports offline mode. That means if you have installed a package before, you can install it again without an internet connection. Yarn caches each package it downloads, so it never needs to download it again. It saves bandwidth and time. But NPM has no offline mode. NPM requires less hard disk space, while Yarn requires more hard disk space. NPM does not manage dependencies well. You will encounter a message sometimes using NPM like unable to resolve dependency tree, but Yarn manages dependencies very well. NPM creates massive output logs of NPM commands. It is a dump of stack trace of what NPM is doing. But Yarn output logs are clean, visually distinguishable, and brief, ordered in a tree form for better understandability. NPM and Yarn share same widely used commands, such as to install dependencies, just name the package manager or use install after its name. To start a new project, Init is same in both package managers. Run a script defined in package.json file by using run. To link a package into another project, link command is same. To log in or log out of NPM registry, these commands are same. To publish the package defined by the package.json in the current directory, publish command is also same. There are also few common commands that differ for both packages, such as to install package, there's difference between install and add. To install package globally, -g flag and global is the difference. To uninstall package, difference is uninstall and remove. To install a package as dev dependency, there is a small difference as well. To update a package, difference is update and upgrade. To view package information, difference is view and info. And now allow me to show the difference visually. Let's install a package by using NPM and Yarn at the same time. So this is NPM and this is Yarn. And the command to install the app is npm I package name or npm install package name. And for Yarn, Yarn add package name. So at the same time, enter. As you can see, NPM is kind of sleeping and Yarn is done already. This is NPM output and this is Yarn's output. And for NPM, we've got package-log.json. That is like this. And for Yarn, we've got yarn.log. That is like this. And then let's clear the output. For this demo, I'm using this version of NPM and this is the version of Yarn. So these are differences between NPM and Yarn package managers. You can use NPM or you can use Yarn, but my personal preference is Yarn. Let me know in comments whether you prefer Yarn or NPM and why. I hope you liked this video. If I missed anything, comment it down below. If you haven't already subscribed, subscribe to this channel and hit bell icon to receive updates. Join us on social media. Stay tuned for more updates. I will see you in the next video.